Good morning, children. Let us start with new chapter today, that is fiber to fabric. What does this title means? That fiber is a long, strong and flexible thread-like structure which is used to make fabric. Fabric is a clothing material from which we can make different type of clothes. So here in this chapter we will discuss how from the fibers we are able to convert them into a fabric. So let us start. First of all, we should know what are fibers. As we have already discussed that fibers are long, strong and flexible thread-like structures. These are used to make fabrics. There are two types of fiber. One is natural fiber, another is homemade or synthetic fibers. Natural fibers include fibers obtained from plants as well as from animals. Means cotton and wool both are included in natural fibers, and silk also. While human made or synthetic fibers, they are rayon, nylon, polyester. These are many types: nylon, rayon, terylene, polyester. These all are human made fibers. Now we will move on to the animal fibers now. Wool and silk are considered as the animal fibers because wool is obtained from the fur of sheep, goat, Kashmiri goat, yak, rabbit, camel, llama, alpaca. These all are the categories, these all are the names of the animals from where we can get the wool. And silk is obtained from silkworms, and these both are considered as an animal fiber because they are made up of proteins. Okay, and here one is this is important term, that is fleece. It should be remembered by you. The body of these animals is covered by a thick coat of hair. The thick covering of hair on the body of the sheep, on the body of the goat, yak, rabbit, camel, etc. are known as fleece. Now moving on to the wool. Now wool is present as a thick coat of hair on the body of wool yielding animals. Now how wool is helpful in providing warmth to us. This is the reason. There are small holes or spaces present between the wool fibers. We know that air is a bad conductor of heat and it does not allow the body heat to escape and keeps the body warm. So between these holes, this air gets trapped and this doesn't allow any heat of the body to go out. So that is why we wear woolen clothes in winters. This is the question. This is also a question which can come, that why woolen clothes are worn in winters, because air gets trapped in the spaces between the wool fibers and it does not allow the body heat to escape and keeps the body warm. That is why woolen clothes are worn in winters. Now we will discuss some of the qualities of the wool. It has high tensile strength, high elasticity and has high lightweight and can easily be dyed. It is considerably resilient. On account of these properties, the fabrics made from wool have ability to retain shape better than fabrics made from the other natural materials. So now this is all about the getting of fibers and what about different types of fibers. In the next video we will discuss the rearing and breeding of sheep.